Someone asked me to trace this logo and divide it into two colors. I made its process into a tutorial. So watch to the end of the video. It's all about how to trace and convert an object to a vector form. So let's get started. In first step, place that logo on the artboard. And decrease its opacity to 46% or as required. Go to Object. Lock in Selection to isolate the selected artwork. Now start tracing with Ellipse tool. Hold Shift and Alt and drag it down to make a perfect circle. Swap the fill color to stroke. Make another circle with same technique. Use pen tool to trace the lines by holding Shift key for perfect straight line. Once you have make a line, hit Enter key and starts to draw another line. Make sure all lines should have touched around the circle's anchor point. Once you have done with tracing lines, select Shape Builder tool. While whole object is selected, hold Alt and drag the cursor to remove the unwanted lines. And unite the area by dragging over it with simply plus sign. Use Scissors tool where Shape Builder tool is not working to dividing different parts. After tracing the logo, the next step is to fill color in it. Bring the traced logo to new artboard. Draw a square with rectangle tool. Right-click and go to Arrange and send it back. Go to Pathfinder and click on Merge. Now right-click and select Isolate Selected Group. After that, select Rectangle and delete it. Now you can see we have the traced logo with fill color. You can fill different colors by selecting 3 of them separately. So this is the end of the video. If you like this tutorial, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.